Let's review our posture. Find your hip bones. Make sure your feet are directly beneath them. This is the distance you want between your feet for your body. Gently and deeply bend your knees, keeping your chest stacked over your hips. Relax those shoulders. Dispense your weight evenly on your feet. Practice relaxing into this posture, especially if you're new to World Fusion or belly dance. And hydrate. It's good to warm up before dancing. I suggest doing squats. You can add your arms to this, shoulder rolls, and side reaches. You'll want to cool down after dancing with some stretches. I suggest stretching your hip flexors, your hamstrings, releasing your lower back, and even trying some balance challenges. Then some gentle roll-ups always help reset the body. All right, let's get to dancing. We're going to start with a stepping out with the right leg, stepping in with the left, stepping out with the right, and then you're going to place your left foot with your heel up in releve position. This allows us to alternate. We're taking the weight on the left to step out, step in right, step out left, and then touch with the right. A little faster. Out, in, out, and touch, and out, in, out, and touch. Now we're going to add arms to this. You can mirror me, bringing your right arm out to the side, left arm up, bend the left elbow, bring it to your chest as your right arm rises, swoops down and out. Then you're going to switch positions. Keep those shoulders relaxed. We're going to go a little faster. Here you can add an optional gaze towards the arm that's extending out from your side. Mirror me as we add our footwork, extending the right arm out as you step out right, step in left, step out right, and then touch, switch, swooping that left arm down as you step out left, and right, and left. Extend the arm as you touch and switch. Now let's review hand rolls for optional layering later. You're going to lift the wrist, round the palm, round the fingertips, and then extend the fingertips out to complete the wave. So lift, round, round, release. Trying to keep your pinky and thumb alongside your palm. Go ahead and stretch those hands if you need to. All right, let's get back to our hip work. Make sure you're in good standing posture. You're going to contract your left oblique to slide right and your right oblique to slide left. No twisting or lifting. Keep a micro bend in your knees and make sure your low belly is contracted. Now we're going to take that slide forward and backward, keeping the low belly contracted. Again, keeping your knees bent, sliding just beyond your body's midline. Combine by sliding right, forward, left, and slightly back. Again. Go ahead and add those hand rolls here if you're comfortable with it. Lift the wrist, round the palm, round the fingers, release the fingers. Now start on the left hip. Left, forward, right, back. Let's add our travel. So as we step out right, we're going to slide that hip to the left because we're going to focus on a forward back circle as we travel. Forward, right, back. You're going to slide that left foot in. Step out right as you slide left. Take the weight on both feet as you slide forward. Slide right, taking the weight right, and then back, slide left. Other way. Extend with that left foot, slide right, slide it forward, taking the weight on both feet, slide left, taking the weight left, and then as you slide back with your hips, slide that right foot in. Repeat. Extend left as you slide the hip right, take the weight on both feet as you slide forward, take the weight left as you slide left, and then bring that right foot in. Switch. If you're ready, go ahead and add your arms as we travel to the right. So as you step out right, you're going to bring that right arm down and out, and the left arm extends up. So as you step out to the left arm swoops down, right arm comes up above your head with the first circle, right arm stays where it is, left arm continues its swoop with the second circle. Let's put it all together, starting with our standing exterior hip circles counterclockwise, right, forward, left, back, then faster, right, and switch to left. Left, forward, right, back, too fast, left, forward, right, back, left, forward, right. You're going to cut it off to go forward and back, and forward and touch, forward, back, forward, again, to the right, in, left, out, right, touch, left, forward, back, forward, and from the top,